Hey there, beauty enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care products.
Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about. The Bonnie Choice 12 Colors Liquid Lip Gloss Pigment Set. If you're a fan of lip gloss and love experimenting with colors, this is a must-have for your makeup collection. Stick around as we dive deep into this fantastic product.
So, what makes the Bonnie Choice Liquid Lip Gloss Pigment Set the best liquid lip color on the market?
Let's find out. First off, take a look at this gorgeous packaging. It comes with 12 stunning shades that are perfect for any occasion. From classic reds to playful pinks and everything in between, this set has it all.
And guess what?
It's not just about the colors, it's about the quality too.
These liquid pigments are specifically designed for making lip gloss, and they're highly pigmented.
You can use them alone or mix them to create your very own custom shades.
The possibilities are endless. But what really sets this product apart is its commitment to using natural ingredients. These pigments are made from cosmetic dyes and pigments extracted from plants. That means they're not only safe for your skin but also vegan and cruelty-free.
You can feel good about using them, knowing they won't irritate your skin. Now, let's talk about the longevity of these colors. Once you've created your perfect shade, you won't have to worry about it fading or changing throughout the day. These pigments are made with natural ingredients that provide professional results without discoloration. Your lip gloss will stay true to its original color.
But the fun doesn't stop there. With this set, you can unleash your inner makeup artist and get creative. Whether you want a subtle everyday look or something bold and daring, this set has you covered. Plus, it's so easy to use. Just mix a part of these pigments with your lip gloss base, and voila! You've got your customized lip color.
Last but not least, this product makes for a fantastic gift option. Looking for the perfect present for your beauty-loving friends? Look no further.
This set of lip gloss pigments is thoughtful and convenient, and allows your friends to create their unique lip colors at home. It's a gift they'll truly appreciate.
So, there you have it, folks.
The Bonnie Choice 12 Colors Liquid Lip Gloss Pigment Set, the best liquid lip color on the market. Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting your beauty journey, this set offers quality, variety, and endless possibilities. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your lip game with these fantastic pigments. If you want to get your hands on this amazing lip gloss pigment set, we've left a link in the description below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews.
Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful.